The technology behind the Elide Fire Extinguishing Ball is that it is unique. It is the only passive and active device available. When I say passive, it means it's mounted. It's a fixed device. When flame hits, the ball activates, dispersing a radius of ammonium phosphate powder that extinguishes the fire. It's immediate. Within 3 to 5 seconds, the fire will be out. This is something totally unique and innovative to the fire suppression prevention business because it activates on flame. So if you're not home and a fire starts, the ball will activate, put out the fire before you get home. So you won't walk home to a house that's burnt down. You'll walk home to a house that has damage, but it will have suppressed and prevented the fire from going any further. When you lose a home, you don't just lose a place to dwell. Insurance companies will cover that, but the memories within that home are forever. It's not just furniture, it's pictures, it's mementos, it's your whole life. It's where you might have raised your kids, your pets lived. That's what you lose. You can rebuild it, but those memories don't come back.